Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog channel. I am at the Kingston Public Hospital. So my mother had a brain surgery in Miami about 2018. Yes. And this is my beautiful mom. Say hi, mother. Hi to everyone. Oh, she comes here every year to do a checkup. Since the surgery. It's a type of surgery that they didn't have to cut her. It's called gamma knife radiosurgery, where they penetrate the radiation and the tumor. So what happened is that in Jamaica they could not do anything to the tumor because if they had cut her, it could have damaged very vital nerves. So we had to go to Miami to do the surgery. It's a pretty expensive surgery, and it took us a little time, over several months, to garner the funds, but she did the surgery and it was somewhat successful because since then every year she has done her MRI and we send the result to them in Miami and to here at the Kingston Public Hospital as well. And the doctor in Miami, which is a very excellent doctor, I must add, Dr. Wolf, says that the tumor is relatively stable. All right. So we're at the Kingston Public Hospital, and guys, this is what it looks like. There is a lot of people here waiting outside under the tent. Look in that area. You can see people. Outpatient department. All right. So yeah, this is it. We're at the Kingston Public Hospital, and I just decided to do a little vlog because I don't see anybody social distancing. It seems like COVID now keep again, but I am double masked up. So if you look under this Shenzhen mask, you'll see another black mask. I am not playing, and so is my mom. She have her blue surgical mask and a black one. Alright, so we try our best to keep ourselves safe because, my mom is on the borderline with diabetes and she has high blood pressure. So therefore, we have to try our best to keep her as safe as possible. It's hard to social distance, especially in these some circumstances, but we do try our best and not to touch doors and surfaces. That's what we try to do. And we, of course, we sanitize and we travel with our sanitizer. So in case we touch a chair or anything, well, I wipe down the chair before I sit on it. So yeah, see, you can see there's a lot of people here. Alright, so we're inside KPH and this is surgical clinic, and now we're going to head to the neurosurgery clinic. So you can see the sign here. We follow this sign to go to the neurosurgery clinic, or the neurosurgical, my mother is correcting me, clinic. So we're hoping to see the top doctor, Dr. Webster. Yes, this is the X-ray department, and you can see there's a lot of people here. All right, a lot of people come to the neurosurgical clinic today. All right, so now I want to speak about my experience traveling with my mom to the Miami Neuroscience Center at Larkins. It was a very pleasant experience despite the reason, because everybody was very welcoming, the staff was very efficient, they were on time. We had they have a bus that come for her every time she has to go to see Dr. Wolf, and yeah, everything ran smooth. Everybody was very pleasant, and we had to stay at an Airbnb because it was way cheaper than the hotels closer to the hospital. That's the Larkins Hospital at Miami Neuroscience Center. And I must say though, before the surgery, the day before the surgery, I was very nervous and I cried. I cried a couple times. I didn't let my mom see that I was crying, but I did cry. And you know, funny thing, when we first took her to Kingston to get the visa at the American Embassy to do her surgery, they denied it because they wouldn't allow me inside. So the second time when we went back, they allowed me inside, and as I go there, she said, "That's the guy I saw," and we went straight back to him, and then he said he couldn't see us again because that would be so. So he said it was a conflict of interest, but he sent us to another lady, and the lady just said yes right away, and she got the visa, and so we were able to travel to Miami. And we spent only 5 days there. The surgery, as I said, it wasn't one of those surgery that was extensive. It took place 2 days prior to us reaching Miami, and she was able to travel 2 days after. Yeah. Alright, but we have to stop the vlogging now because you know some people don't want the camera on them. So it's bye for now. See you guys in my next vlog.